In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 0x80070002. The system cannot find the file specified. First thing you're going to do is just go to the search here, and here you want to type in control panel, and here type in troubleshoot, click on troubleshoot, and here go to other troubleshooters, and under Windows Update click run. Now this will run a process that will suggest you some solutions that you can follow, and if you follow these solutions you might be able to fix your issue. So I recommend going through this. So the next thing you can do is go here and actually go to this PC and go to C drive, and here go to Windows, and here you want to go to software distribution. It should be this one. So here all you're gonna do is simply highlight all of these and just delete them. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your important files. It's just unnecessary files, and you can delete them. So after you do this, I recommend you go and just restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now if this doesn't, you can go to disk cleanup and just go ahead and just clean your disk by selecting all of these folders unnecessary and click OK, and this will clean your disk. So if following all these still doesn't fix your issue, then go and type in services, and here what you're gonna do is go down all the way into Windows Update. So it should be Windows. So this is the one. Right click on it and you will be able to see the start option. So if you click start, this process will be able to start, and you might be able to see a restart button. I recommend also clicking that, so this can restart the process of this Windows Update folder. And also I recommend going here. So I recommend scrolling all the way up and you're gonna see cryptographic services. So right click on it and go to properties, and here you'll do the same thing. So first make sure this is set on automatic. After that, if this is placed on start, if this is not started, just make sure you start it. See, mine is already started. After you click on start, click apply and OK. And here you want to go down. So here you're gonna scroll all the way down and you're gonna see Windows installer. Right click, properties, and make sure you click on start here to start the process, and then click apply and OK. And after that, just restart your PC and see if this fixes your issue, and hopefully it does.